Yo, Karabo. Makoti. Ya, dithata ditaba tsa gago ngwanake. Hao. Ke bile le Uyanda.
Hi ke sana.
A re wena o tsa dikobo ha go betse bosigo. Makoti.
Umdala sisuhle kabantwana.
Makoti. Hao.
I don't know what to call this one.
Ha buti ngiyahleka mina.
No.
Wena le Uyanda le tlhoka counseling is serious.
That's right. Counseling is needed.
Eso o hlaliwe for kutsala izinkobo. I knew that my son was the drama but I didn't know to this level. Okay, angihlekile
But uyahleka.
So, what can we do on our side to appease the situation at the
Yeah.
Because I spoke to him and he will come back.
Sisiba serious now.
What can we do to calm you down, Makoti?
500k.
500k and Makoti. Sikupile amakhaya amabufalo.
Same thing to will send it.
Uti.
Ngiyafuna
I get 500k ka di last
ngiyayifuna ngizonika yona angithumisa wami ukuthi ngizonika
bathi rapture yaqala today.
Makoti. Can you please be
told you right now kuti they just broke my heart ngithumisa wami uyaphila kanjani into yami no rabeleng.
I understand that you have debt to pay but 500k Makoti.
I don't have much to say.
And Uyanda is coming. I told him tomorrow morning he must come back.
That's what I want to be doing.